In the previous video, we executed the diagram. You can see that instead of opening the customer to prototype, a login page of GXFlow opens. Enter with your administrator user, WF administrator, and the same password to insert the user that will form part of the system. Select Management Console, Users. Select the option New. A pop-up window will be displayed where you can register the user data. The user will be, for example, user 1, and the name Charles Wilson. His email is cwilson@correo.com, and you can define his password. Now you must associate the corresponding role to the user's profile, which will be operator. Once the role is assigned, log out the administrator session and log in as user 1. When entering the customer, you'll see name of the user who logged in, desktop on the left side, permission to create an instance of the process, enter a reservation, save the changes but don't finish the task. Close the user 1 session to log in again with the administrator. The administrator user will be able to monitor the processes that were executed or that are currently running through Process Manager, Processes. You can see that the reservation task is associated with the Charles Wilson user. In addition to indicating the status of the task, date of creation and completion. In case Charles Wilson is unable to continue with his workflow due to his absence, he can temporarily delegate his task through the out-of-office function. To do this, just click on Username on the top right-hand corner of the inbox and then click on Account in the pop-up configuration that appears. Then select User is currently out of the office property and confirm. He can choose a role or a user as a substitute, and in this way all the pending tasks will be assigned to the substitute. When the main user returns, all those tasks that have not been completed yet will return to the user. Thus we've seen how to apply security to our application. In the next video we'll see the statistics available.